Earth Day is every day. Not one day goes by where we're not nourished by the plants, fed by the sun, or held by the soil. But it's easy to forget our connection to the earth when we're going about our busy lives. So many forms of healing happen when we slow down and connect with our planet, our original mother, our beautiful Earth. Earth Day is coming up at the end of this week, and so I just want to offer a few ways to celebrate for free, or nearly free. Put your bare feet on the earth. The Earth's energy has many healing and health benefits for us. Take a moment to find anywhere you can plant your bare feet directly on the earth. Eat a healthy plant-based meal. Take time to honor the earth by honoring your body, which is an extension of the earth itself. Before you eat, express your gratitude for the meal in front of you, the meal that was created by our beautiful Mother Earth, and all of the time, energy, labor, water, and other resources it took to bring this meal to your plate. Visit a nursery, a garden, or a park, or anywhere you can marvel at the incredible beauty, wisdom, and diversity of life created by our Mother. Plant seeds, buy a plant, or start an herb garden, even if it's with one simple herb sitting in your windowsill, like rosemary, thyme, lavender, or mint. Connect with your body. How we treat our bodies is a reflection of how we treat the earth. Be kind to your body today by doing something loving, like receiving a massage, dancing, stretching, or going for a walk outside. Create something with herbs. Celebrate the beauty of Mother Nature's medicine by creating medicine for yourself with herbs. There are many ideas and recipes on my channel for this, but if you want to make it easy, just brew yourself a simple cup of tea. Give an offering. Our planet is so generous in the love, energy, and abundance she gives to us. If you want to give back, you can give an offering in the form of dried flowers or herbs, prayer, or simply even water. Sprinkle your offering to a plant or any area of the earth you feel called to bless with your love. When we slow down and connect with the earth, we connect with the healing energy of life force itself. The energy of our earth is deeply healing and abundantly generous if we just make ourselves available to receive it. Happy Earth Day, friends.